Okay, so we're going to replace spark plug for this 2011 Dodge Caravan. It's got 3.6 liter engine, and basically it's not that quite it's not that hard to replace, but it's a lot of work to do because basically you have to take all this intake here, right? Because as you can see, this is the where the ignition coil is and the spark plug is basically underneath here, and the other side it's got the intake there. So you have to remove this in order for you to get access, and then you can replace the spark plug. And here's the new spark plug that I'm going to put. I believe this is an OEM spark plug they use. It's quite expensive, but it's in, I mean, that's the original spark plug, so why not put original there? So, and plus it's not easy to replace, so you might as well put a better spark plug there that you can have, so that you don't have to worry about it. So first things first, to remove this, you're gonna have to remove this pipe. um, After that, we're gonna have to remove this intake here, and then we're gonna remove the wires and some pipes and other pipes here we're gonna have to remove. So as you can see now, the intake is removed from here, and the coil and spark plug is gonna be exposed. That's a good thing on that part, but here you still have to remove this. So we're gonna have to unplug these wires here. There's a kind of a red tab here that you have to pull. Seems like somebody already broke this, and yeah, there you go. And unplug this pipe here, and then you're gonna have to remove these screws here, right? 1 2 3 4 5, and then I think there's more there. Yeah, somebody already removed this screw, but here's somebody already been here, right? There's supposed to be a nut there. It's gone now. So alright, so here it is. Intake is removed. So you gotta make sure you put something in here, tissue paper, so that you don't drop something, because that's where the bulb sits. And here's our number 2. So here's the 1 2 3 4 5 6 firing order. And somebody's been here. There's already been playing with the wire here. I don't know, but we'll see. So I already removed the spark plug, and it's soaked with oil. So this is the indication that I'm gonna need a valve cover gasket. But for now, just replace the spark plug. And yeah, so that's how you replace it. You remove the coil, because as you can see now, it's clear, right? So you're gonna need a 10mm socket for each one. Remove the coil, remove the wire, and remove the spark plug, and put the new one in, and that should be it. The installation is just a reverse. So here's the old spark plugs, and someone just replaced one. Someone just decided to replace one spark plug with Champion. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on here, but that's what happened. And here's the new one. So NGK. radium. Yeah. So the rest is original except for this one. Somebody replaced it with Champion. For some reason, I don't know. So I dropped the new spark plug there, and drop one over here. You don't have to worry about the gap because there's already been set up. So, my opinion, you don't have to worry about the gap, but you can adjust the gap if you wanted to. So you hand tight the spark plug first, and then after that, once it's tight with your hand, you gotta use the wrench, right? Then you turn it halfway. There you go. Just use the wrench where the head is, because don't use this because that's a lot of leverage. You could destroy your thread. So this is how I do it, right? Just use the head, spin it, and it's so tighten up, and that's it. All right, so the spark plug is in, and that's about it. The rest is just a reverse. So all right, everything is back, and thank you for watching.